Hello, my adorable friends, and welcome to another number corner. All right, today is a new day, and we have lots to do and lots of thinking to help our brains continue to grow bigger and stronger and smarter. So let's get started. Just like we do every day, we start off with our days of the week. So make sure you are singing loud and proud at home with me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. All right, my friends. Yesterday was Tuesday. So if yesterday was Tuesday, that means today is... Well, there's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's... Oh, I heard you yelling it from home. Wednesday. Let's turn our Wednesday card around. What number is on our Wednesday card? The number 3, which means it's the 3rd day of the month. And what month? Remember, we're in a new one. Say it with me. February. Good. Let's put the whole date together now. You ready? Say it with me. Today is Wednesday, February 3rd, 2021. And remember, when we're counting out our months, we have January, then February. So January is our first month, February is our second month. So remember, in our month column, we're going to put the number 2. Let's go update our card. Okay, so we're going to leave that 2 right there in the month spot. We need to change the day to the 3rd. Find my pen. Here we go. And the year is 21. So everything we write the date on today is going to be 2-3-21. Now, if we want to write our date in the long form and we're feeling fancy, remember February, when we shorten it or abbreviate it, is FEB. We change this date to the 3rd. And that year is 2021. Okay, let's go practice writing the date. I'm dropping things. Let me pick up the things I'm dropping. Mrs. Sae-Wong is a mess this morning, but that's okay. Okay, so let's write that date. Shout it out at me. Today is 2-3-21. Good. Remember, we're talking about shapes this month. So let's look at the shapes on our card for our 3rd day of the month. What shape is this? Well, it has 4 equal sides. Maybe if we turn it this way, what does that look like? It is a rhombus. Good job. I heard you all shouting it from home. So shape A and shape B are both rhombuses because they're the same shape. Didn't realize how big I write until I have to write in teeny tiny little spaces. So how many sides are there? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 sides. Remember we talked about if there's 4 sides, how many vertices are there? If there's 4 sides, there has to be 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. All right, now here comes that big word, congruent. Say it with me, congruent. That means, are the shapes the same? Well, are they the same shape? Okay, yeah, so far so good. Now we need to decide, are they the same size? Are they the same exactly, no difference? Well, we have from 1 dot to 1 dot here, 1 dot to 1 dot. You see that? All the dots match. Do you think that they're the same? Do they look the same size? Do all the dots match? They do. That means these shapes are congruent. They are the same. And it's important to pay attention to those attributes so we know if they're the same, if they're congruent or not. Good job, my friend. All right, dropping things again. Oh my goodness. Sorry, friends. Here we go. Miss Sae-Wong's back. Things are flying off my cart. All right, let's talk about our days in school. The last time I saw your adorable faces yesterday was day number 93. What comes after 93? It's kind of a big, ginormous number. Let's go to our number line and count it out. so that we make sure we get this one correct. Remember, our number line starts at 80, so we're going to count forward from 80. Count with me. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 90. Oh, I heard you, smart people. 94. Today is our 94th day together. Holy mackerel. So many amazing days. All right, let's erase this and start fresh. So when we write the number 94, we have a 9 in the tens and a 4 in the ones. But if I want to write out the word, this is what that looks like. Say it with me, 94. Good, so I have a 9 in my tens place, my tens place, sorry, let me finish my thought. And I have a 4 in the ones place. What does that mean? Okay, remember, when we have 9 tens, we have 9 groups of 10. So we need to count by tens. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So if I have 9 groups of 10s, I have 90 days. Drop my pen again. I don't know how many times Mrs. Sae-Wong's going to drop things this morning, but that's okay. Okay, so 9 tens means we have 90. When we have 4 ones, that means we just have 4 days all by themselves. Now we need to add those back together, write an equation to add our tens and our ones. So we're going to take our tens, that 90, plus our ones, so plus 4, equals 94. We're going to color in our 94th day here on the chart. I have colored in my 94 days on my chart. Will you count with me, though, and make sure I didn't make a mistake? Sometimes I goof. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Now we need to count on by ones. Ready? 91, 92, 93, 94. So I have my 94 days, 94 here and here. Make sure you have your 94 at home. And that is it for our days in school for today. Last thing we're going to talk about is our cube collection. Remember, we are collecting our Unifix cubes or our counting blocks this week, just as an extra practice to count, practice graphing. Then we're going to talk about comparing which number's bigger, which number's smaller. So all kinds of fun things are going to happen. But first, we have to have a few days of collection before we can do all of the comparing. Oops. I know I get all the fun with the spinners. Oh my goodness, it's a big number. Where do we land? On number 7. Good. So let me get out we're going to do orange today. We need to count out 7 blocks. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my gosh, they're stuck together. There we go. Whew. All right, so I have my 7 orange blocks. I'm going to add those to our collection pocket for the week. I have my orange marker. So count with me as I mark these down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My orange marker is drying out. That makes me so sad, but I do have all 7 days or 7 cubes marked on our chart. So on Monday, we collected 5 purple. On Tuesday, we collected 6 green. On Wednesday, we collected 7 orange. Do you notice a trend? Not intentional. The spinner has a mind of its own, but every day is increasing by 1. I wonder how many we'll collect on Thursday. Only time will tell. Tomorrow is another amazing day, but right now, today's Wednesday, and we have some more learning to do. So I will see you all a little bit later in our meeting and in our other videos. I hope you have an amazing day. Bye, friends.